First I got you mad. I guess that when I get to it last. Get it that I'm never going back. Get it that I'm never going back. Going up, going up, going up, going up, going up, going up.
What's going on, everybody? So today we're going out again to the river, and we're a little short on time today, but that's okay. I got about an hour, maybe tops, an hour and a half tops. We're gonna go back out to the river where I was the other day and see if I can get something new. Last time we got a big old carp, and that was really nice. I brought a heavier rod this time. Last time I brought my ultralight, and I was able to get, 2 carps, but I was just scared that my ultralight would have broke. So I got my medium light this time. Maybe try to get some brown trout, maybe get a rainbow trout, but right now just kind of get whatever that can bite. It is super snowy. It's kind of in between rain and snow combo, but hey, it should be fun, and I'll see you on the river. Peace. All right, so we're here, and I do gotta say the river is moving really fast, dude. It's really nice. So what I got tied on is I got a little inline spinner, a little brown trout pattern, and I'm just gonna start here and work my way up. And now it's snowing, so that's good. I love it. I love being out here when it's just like super snowy. It's not, I don't know. The snow is very calming. All right, let's see. I hope I don't scare any fish. That's all I need is for my shit to go. And that is exactly what happened. It's gonna come back like a bullet. I already know it. Here we go. Come on, come on, come on. Damn. All right, it is dumping snow now. Check it out. Nice. Well, I got my inline spinner back. That's a plus. So let's go over here. You can barely see. Oh, I thought I got something. I should have. All right, spot one, nothing. Just a bunch of weeds and leaves. Oh, well, that hurt. I really just hooked my finger. Damn. See, I think the further I go up, the better. Because before I was just like maybe five minutes from here walking. And let's walk here. It's really wet. It's really cold. I'm hoping that I can get a fish. It'd be nice. I doubt that I'm gonna get a fish today. All right, here's a spot. I mean, I'm a little bit not too far up, but it could be promising. It's a lot deeper, and there's like some structure here too. So I'm just gonna the waters, but all right, here's another spot. This is kind of nice. So when you got running water like this, it provides a lot of oxygen for the fish, and it's potentially a good place to fish. So I'm just gonna walk right up here. Whoa, dang, there's a couple fish just right there. And that little spillway, oh look, some ducks. Nice. So here we go. Just gonna whoop, light flick. Might have to take off my glasses. Nope, I should keep them on because I can see in the water. So I'm gonna keep these guys on, and I'm just gonna bomb that guy right to the bank over there. What about over here? Down. Fish come to me. Come on, fishy, fishy. Fishy, fishy, fishy. Where you be? Ooh. Just got some more leaves. I'm gonna take my leaves off because they're insufficient bait. And maybe I add some eggs to this. Maybe that'll do it. But I'm gonna keep on walking though, because there's nothing. All right, here's some nice chilled out water. It's not running so fast. It's like a little nice overhang. Usually I see a lot of carp on the sides just chilling, but today they might not even be here. I might have to tie in like a little woolly bugger or something like that. Keep on going. There we go. Trash. I got plastic. Pick up after yourselves, everybody. It's not good to have plastics in your rivers. Yuck. All right. So I think this is that same spot that I was at when I caught that big ass one. Sure enough, this is the spot. All right, so I'm just gonna do a little dangle. I probably scared them all off. No, not the tree. So I decided to go back towards the car, but as I'm going back, oh crap, I came across this opening. Hopefully it's not like just super, woo, it's cold. It's starting to snow a lot more. Wind's really picking up. Oh look, here we go. There's a fish right there. See if I can get him. Here he comes. Whoa, look at him go, dang. He jolted out of there. Wow. Wow. I hope you guys can see that. Inline spinner did not work. And I don't have a knife. You have scissors. First, let's tie on this guy. I actually found this. I found this at one of the lakes. Never fished with flies before, never even thought about it. But I hear that there's a lot of success with these things. And so I'm gonna try it out. All right, so I'm back over at this little area with the water, and I got my woolly bugger. Let's toss this out here. All right, we are back. All right, so to say the least, I think the weather has done the fishing in for today. That's all right. I got to get out, I got to, ooh, look, it's so dark. I got to get out and I got to enjoy nature. I got to walk around in the snow, but it is time to go home. Hopefully this weekend it's supposed to be sunny, and shit, if it's super nice, then maybe we will go out to the lake. But I appreciate you guys watching. For those of you who do pop in, I'm gonna keep trying to pump out as much videos as I can possibly do, and subscribe. I hope you guys like it. If you do, hit the thumbs up. It really would help me out a bunch. Other than that, everybody have a wonderful day. Peace.